The helpless cat and her 3 innocent kittens. In a deep corner of the forest, a weak and hungry cat lived with her 3 tiny kittens. This cat once lived in a village, but after an unfortunate incident, she was forced to flee and seek refuge in the wild. Now, she had made a shelter under a tree with her little ones. Her 3 white kittens, one with blue eyes, another with gray eyes, and the third with yellow eyes, were meowing softly in hunger, but the mother had nothing to feed them. Every day, she ventured out in search of food, but the forest was full of predators. Sometimes a fox would chase her, and other times an eagle would swoop down, eyeing her defenseless kittens. But a mother's heart is brave. Every time, she risked her own life to protect her children. One day, while wandering near the edge of the forest, she spotted an old wooden cabin. Peeking inside, she saw an elderly man living there. He seemed kind-hearted, so she gathered her courage and decided to approach him. Eyes, one with gray, and one with yellow, found a safe and loving home.